Ever wondered how to play your favorite retro PC games on any device? Enter DOSBox, an incredible free open-source emulator designed to bring back the nostalgia of old PC games right to your modern devices. This lifesaver lets you dive back into those classic games no matter the device you're using. From the comfort of your phone to the convenience of your laptop, DOSBox is your ticket to the past. Stay tuned as Alessandro El Sharkawi walks you through the process of setting up DOSBox. First things first, you need to download and install DOSBox on your device. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the official DOSBox website. Here you'll find the latest version of the software available for download. Once you've downloaded the installer, run it on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions, making sure to select the correct installation directory. It's as easy as pie. Now let's tweak some settings for optimal performance. Open DOSBox and go to the Options menu. Here, you'll find a plethora of settings you can adjust to suit your needs. For starters, you might want to set the CPU cycles to max for the best performance. Also, ensure that the aspect correction option is enabled for the most authentic retro gaming experience. Remember to save your settings before you exit the Options menu. And just like that, you're ready to take a nostalgic trip down memory lane. Now that you have DOSBox installed, it's time to load up some games. With DOSBox installed, you're ready to start playing your favorite retro games. The first step is finding the games you want to play. There are many online platforms where you can legally download these games. After you've found your game, save it in a dedicated folder. This will make managing your games much easier. Next, you'll need to mount the game in DOSBox. To do this, type the command mount_cc. your folder name in DOSBox, replacing your folder name with the name of your dedicated folder. This will set up a virtual C drive in DOSBox that points to your folder. The final step is launching your game. Navigate to the mounted drive by typing C in DOSBox. Then type the name of the game's executable file. For example, if your game's executable file is game.exe, you would type game and press enter. And just like that, you're all set to enjoy your favorite retro PC games on any device. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've delved into the world of DOSBox, a nifty tool that breathes life into your favorite retro PC games. We've mastered the art of downloading and installing DOSBox, ensuring it's ready to run on any device. Finally, we've navigated the process of loading games into it, setting the stage for countless hours of nostalgia-filled fun. We hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips from Alessandro El Sharkawi. Until next time, happy gaming!